Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building a direct opener. Open Shortcuts and tap the plus to create a new shortcut. Then add the Open App action and choose the exact app you want on your home screen. Once done, name the shortcut clearly because that name becomes the home screen label. Make sure to test it once inside Shortcuts by tapping the play icon. This confirms the action will run and prevents wasting time on a misconfigured target. Next, you customize how the shortcut looks on the home screen. Open the shortcut settings and pick Add to Home Screen, then tap the icon preview to choose Photo, File, or take a new image so you get a square one icon. Once you set the image, edit the home screen name to something short. Emoji works well for quick recognition. After you confirm and tap Add, the custom icon will appear as an app-like tile ready for arrangement. Finally, position and verify the shortcut tile on your home screen. You can drag it into folders or the dock for faster access. Test it by tapping the icon from the home screen and observe whether it launches the app directly. If it briefly opens Shortcuts first, that indicates a misconfiguration. If it fails, make sure the action is Open App, the app name matches exactly, and any required permissions are granted. If problems persist, delete and recreate that single shortcut to reset settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.